Obviously, braking is an extremely important part of riding. Whether you're slowing down for a corner or need a hard brake to prevent an obstacle, it's important that your brake pedal is easy to find and has the proper surface area to prevent accidental foot slippage. So with that in mind, we're proud to bring you guys a full-size replacement brake pedal for your Can-Am Spyder. This large brake pedal is a 100% bolt-on replacement to the stock pedal and reuses the factory hardware to mount up in place. The new brake pedal measures in at 3 inches by 4 3/8 inches, increasing the surface area in comparison to the stock pedal. This replacement pedal is made from premium, weather-resistant rubber for long-lasting durability and features a rugged anti-slip surface pattern that provides excellent grip in all weather conditions. So now that you know what this brake pedal is all about, allow our team to walk you through the installation process on our 2024 Spyder RT.
Before you begin, make sure your Spyder is on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Start by using a 10mm socket to remove the 2 screws on the backside of your stock brake pedal. Once removed, clean the stock screws and brake pedal assembly to remove any dirt and debris. Next, add a little dab of removable thread lock to those 2 screws. Then use them to attach the new brake pedal to the Spyder, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug without over-tightening.
So if increasing the size of your Spyder brake pedal is on your mod list, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can keep you up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.